Hey there, health enthusiast. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of one of nature's most potent elixirs? Today we're diving deep into the world of beet juice and uncovering its remarkable benefits for both your health and blood. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Beet juice isn't just a trendy drink. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with goodness. So let's roll up our sleeves and explore why beet juice deserves a prime spot in your daily routine. First things first, what makes beet juice so special? Let's take a closer look at its nutritional profile. Beet juice is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, iron, and folate. But its real magic lies in the high concentration of nitrates, a natural compound found in beets that can work wonders for your health and blood. Now, let's delve into the exciting ways beet juice can supercharge your health. Supports heart health. Beet juice is a heart's best friend. Its high nitrate content helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. This can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Boost athletic performance. Calling all athletes, drinking beet juice before exercise has been shown to enhance stamina and endurance. The nitrates in beets improve oxygen delivery to muscles, delaying fatigue and improving performance. Aids digestive health. Beet juice is a natural digestive aid, thanks to its fiber content and betaine, an amino acid that supports liver function and detoxification. It can help promote regularity and alleviate digestive discomfort. Promotes brain health. Don't forget to feed your brain. Beet juice is rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress and may help prevent age-related cognitive decline. It's brain fuel in a glass. But wait, there's more. Beet juice isn't just good for overall health. It's also a blood-boosting superhero. Let's explore its impressive benefits for your precious life force, your blood. Increase nitric oxide production. Beet juice is a nitric oxide powerhouse. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in blood vessel dilation, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout the body. This can enhance energy levels and promote cardiovascular health. Regulates blood pressure. Suffering from high blood pressure? Beet juice to the rescue. Studies have shown that regular consumption of beet juice can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a natural remedy for hypertension. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Beet juice may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Its low glycemic index and high fiber content help prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. Boost red blood cell production. Beet juice is a rich source of iron and folate, essential nutrients for red blood cell production. Drinking beet juice regularly can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and promote healthy blood circulation. Ready to reap the benefits of beet juice? Here's how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. You can enjoy beet juice on its own or mix it with other fruits and veggies for a delicious and nutritious blend. Try adding it to smoothies, juices, or even salad dressings for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. Remember to choose fresh, organic beets whenever possible and opt for homemade or cold-pressed juices to preserve their nutritional value. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of beet juice for your health and blood. Whether you're looking to support your heart, boost your athletic performance, or simply enhance your overall well-being, beet juice is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life. Until next time, remember to drink your beet juice and nourish your body from the inside out.